Okay, if that's your very favorite. Here, I can open it. You want more marshmallows? Here you go. There you go. There's more. Is that your favorite thing? Because you can kind of rub them together? That's your favorite because you can kind of play with them. You like them because you can kind of rub them together and play with them? Look at that. Tim's just playing. There you go. There you go. There you go, buddy. I know. Do you want to be friends? Okay, I love you. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I love you. You want to touch hands? You want to touch hands? You want to touch hands? I love you. I love you. It's okay. It's alright. I'll see you tomorrow.